Hello friends, good morning. Today we will revise some grammar topics from class 5th and 6th with exercise. Hello friends, Hello friends, good morning. Today we will revise some grammar topic with exercise. Like first, choose the correct option. First is the queen lost dash bag of gold. Here the options are her, B, C herself, D hers. Here we used the possessive adjective to complete the sentence. So the correct answer is here her. The queen lost her bag of gold. Second number, Niranjan dash and play again tomorrow. Here the word tomorrow indicate future tense. So we use here the verb form will plus main verb. Here the correct answer is C, will come. Second, Niranjan will come and play again tomorrow. Third number, Anita wanted to buy some jewelry in gold. Identify underlined noun. Here the underlined noun is gold, and gold is material, so it is called a material noun. Fourth number, the moon dash at night in the sky. Shine, shone, shining, shines. Here the moon is a universal thing and that activity is universal truth. So we write down the verb which is ends in s, es or main verb. Here the moon shines at night in the sky. The correct answer is D, shines. The moon shines at night in the sky. Fifth number, the sheep has dash of 100 sailors. Here a herd is used for the animals, crowd is used for the people, and crew is used for the ships. Here the sheep has the sailors of the ship, and flock is also used for the sheep, SHEEP. The ship has a crew of 100 sailors. Rutvik dash a new car last month. By here last month indicates the past tense, and we use the past form of the verb when we complete the sentence. Buy, we bought, she will buy, and buys. Here bought indicates the past form of the verb. So we use here Rutvik bought a new car last month. 7 number, the dash bedroom is very tidy. Here girls, and girl. Here we use the apostrophe s with the girl because here to be verb is given. Okay, so girls, we use here apostrophe s. Girls, the girls' bedroom is very tidy. We also use here girls and apostrophe, but here after the s is not given apostrophe, so we do not use that. Okay, 8 number, the correct answer is 7 number is girls. The girls' bedroom is very tidy. This dash have no wool on them. Here the plural form and also singular form of sheep are same. So we use here option A as the answer. These sheep have no wool on them. 9 number, a statement or declarative sentence ends in dash. Here full stop, question mark, comma, exclamatory marks, etc. etc. Here a statement or declarative sentence ends in full stop as a given answer. 10 number, a sentence that expresses a command, request or desire is called a dash sentence. That is called imperative sentence. That option are exclamatory sentence, B interrogative sentence, C imperative sentence, D statement. Here the correct answer is imperative sentence. Now question 2A. Fill in the blanks with suitable verb form. Anita dash first prize in every annual function. Here every indicates the present continuous, simple present tense. So we use the verb ends in es or es to complete the sentence. Like here win, so we use only for s at the end of the verb. Like Anita wins first prize in every annual function. Asha called on Anita yesterday. Here we use the past form of verb call because here yesterday indicates past tense. So the answer is Asha called on Anita yesterday. I dash Usha at the railway station tomorrow. Tomorrow indicates simple future tense. So we use will plus meet. I will, W-I-L-L, will meet, M-E-E-T, meet. I will meet Usha at the railway station tomorrow. Tomorrow indicates simple future tense. The sun dash in the west. Here the sun is universal things and its process is also universal truth. So we use here the verb which ends s, es or res. The sun rises in the west. 5th number, Mr. Divya's dash us math. Here we use simple present tense because here Mr. Divyas is regularly teach us English. Maths. Mr. Divyas teaches us, Teaches, teaches us maths. 6th number, children hurried home after the school was over. Here was over indicates simple past tense. So my dear, we use here the past form of verb. Children hurried home after the school was over. Jyoti dash her homework regularly. Here regularly indicates simple present tense and we use the simple present tense for the daily activity, universal truth and etc. etc. Here Jyoti completes her homework regularly. Regularly indicates simple present tense. 8th number, Ashu will come and play again next month. Here next month indicates simple future tense. So we use here Anshu will come and play again next month. Question number 3b. Fill in the blanks with suitable preposition. Here the preposition are given in the brackets like on, with, under, about, among, by, and of, etc. Here first is that I go to school at 6 o'clock. because 6 o'clock indicates perfect time of the school. So we use here at. Priyanshi was ashamed of her rude behavior. Of, we also use here on. Okay, of or on. Tom agree with me on that point. They were talking about Jim's behavior at the dance. Fifth number, the little child is hiding the tree. Here we use near, also, behind, also, and under, also. The cow is resting under the tree. Raman is popular among the workers. Here Raman is popular, the crowd of the member of the workers. Many people in Mumbai prefer to travel by train. Many people in Mumbai prefer to travel by train. Question number 3a. Rewrite the following sentences by changing the number. The leaf falls from the tree. Here we use VES at the end of the verb, at the end of the noun when the noun ends in the singular common noun ends in F or FE. So the answer is the leaves fall from the trees. When the noun ends in E, we use directly S. Ends in E, we use directly S, like tree, trees. The leaves fall from the trees. The leaves, second is monkey have long tails. Here we use the singular noun of monkeys, monkey, and we use with singular noun has a long tail. Monkey has a long tail. Third number, a deer was caught by a hunter. We use plural noun of deer is deer. Deer were caught by hunter. We remove article a here. Okay. Fourth number, the wolves are the wild animal. Here we use the singular noun of wolves. It is wolf. The wolf is a wild animal. Okay. Now question number 3b. Rewrite the following sentences by changing the gender. The man is the father of 6 sons. The man is father of 6 sons. Here we change the gender of the woman, man into woman and father into mother. Okay, my dear. Father of 6 sons. That man change into woman. That woman is the father change into mother and sons change into daughters. That woman is the mother of 6 daughters. My niece change into nephew is a dancer and famous for her change into his performance. My nephew is a dancer and famous for his performance. Third number, the bride saves her husband from death. Here, bride change into bridegroom and her change into his, husband change into wife. the bridegroom saves his wife from death. Fourth number, the king saved the shepherd a prize because he had saved his son. Here the king changed into queen. Shepherd do not change here, and his changed into her, and son changed into daughter. The queen gave the shepherd a prize because he had saved her daughter. Now question number 3C. Rewrite the following sentence by using possessive form. Like here, the leaves of man are very hard. Here we use apostrophe s, like man's leaves are very hard. The dog belonging to Miss Smith. Here we use apostrophe s. Miss Smith's dog is black. The tails of the monkey are long. Here we use apostrophe only because here s is given to make a plural noun. So monkey's tails are long. The parents of the boy were present in the meeting. Boy's parents were present in the meeting. Question number 3D. Change the following words into adjective. Gold change into golden. Golden ring. Hopeless. Hope change into hopeless. Care that is changed into careful. Beauty that is changed into beautiful. Talk that changed into talkative. And fury that is changed into furious. Now question number 4A. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronoun. I have my new book. I have my new book. This is the boy. His nature is good. The prisoner hanged himself. This house is mine. Fifth number, you accept your fault. Sixth number, she goes to school by her uncle's car. Question number 4B. Fill in the blanks with suitable collective noun. We show crew of ships in the harbor. A committee of 5 members was appointed. Third, a flock of sheep was seen in the field. Fourth number, the swarm of bees flew out of the heap. A regiment of soldiers has marched away. Here, crew, committee, flock, swarm, regiment, all these are indicates the collective noun. Now, match the subject with the predicate. Here, the subjects and predicates like my watch that join with the keeps good time. Here, the answer is D. Keeps good time. My watch keeps good time. Grapes grow on vine. That option is A. Grapes grow on vine. A paid workman C. Damns his tools. The elephant, that answer is E, has a long trunk. The elephant has a long trunk. Fifth, wild animals, that answer is B, are kept in the zoo. Okay my dear, I hope that you have learned some grammar topics with exercise very well in this video, and I hope that you will write down all this exercise in your grammar notebook and keep in your mind. Thank you very much.